Hey beauties, it's your girl Briahna Beauty here, and in today's video, I switched up the scenery. I like it. I think this is cute. Cute little scenery. We're in my living room today, okay? And so, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this hair that I have. Okay, this is the Jasmine Kelly Hair Collection, and I got this hair in 14, 16, and 18 inches with a 14-inch closure. This is a 5x5 closure, and it starts from right here and it goes to about right here. So this is like a lot of hair, or a pretty large closure. I did decide to go with the closure instead of a frontal because closures are less maintenance than frontals, and I just didn't want to like really deal with all the work that goes into like keeping up with the frontal. And so I did get a closure. Since I got my hair done a month ago, I also got my hair done by Jasmine. She sells hair and she actually does hair. And so since I got my hair done a month ago, I did just like redo my hair. I did get a maintenance that I did on myself, simply because after a while when you get your lace glued down, it comes up and it starts to lift. And so I decided to just redo it so that my lace is laid and I can continue to wear my hair, because the install in itself is still very good and neat and clean. My braids, I do have a little bit of new growth, but it's not like bad to the point where like it's time for it to come out. And I needed to like wash my own hair under it, so I just like scrub my scalp as best as I could, and then I washed the bundles, and then I blow dried them and I soaked them out, and I added just like some light little wave curls in here. And like as you can tell, like when she first did my hair, she added layers, and they are so bomb. Like this, the layers like make the hair fall like perfectly, like it looks so good. And like even the customizing of it is still like really good. I didn't like do any more customizing it, so this is basically like how she customized my hair. And I just want to go back until about a month and a half ago when I first got my hair done, so y'all can see the initial JK slit, and you can also see a little bit of my hair process when I was getting it done. So let's go back just a little bit. Alrighty, and so now that we're back into the present time, I am going to just tell you all what I think about the hair. There's about 5 things that I want to touch on, and that is the quality, shedding, smell, the closure, the ends of the hair, and up. Also like the actual lengths of the hair, and just the hair overall. So there's about 7 things that I want to cover. And so like the ends of this hair is really full, like they're very full. Like I love this, and with the layers put in it for them to still be full, I think that is great. Okay, the hair is able to hold a bomb curl, as you can tell by the previous clips that I showed you all when I had my hair initially done. All I did was flexi rod it at night, and even the nights when I didn't flexi rod it, the curls were still bomb, okay? And then when the curls began to drop and I wanted them to be a bit more tighter, I just flexed around my hair again and they were back and they were there and they didn't go anywhere. And so yes, this hair has little to no shedding at all. Like, hold on, nothing. Like, I rub my hands through my hair all the time and like there's no shedding, okay? The smell, it doesn't have a smell, you know, like when sometimes you get bundles and they either like smell like flat irons or they like smell like corn chips or you have to like soak them. No, don't have that problem with this hair, okay? The closure is bomb, as you can tell by the lace, like, you see, okay? And I am not a stylist, so if you see like any flaws within my lace from the maintenance that I did, don't judge me, okay? It looks good from like this. And so the lace is bomb. I did like my heavy itching right here, y'all. And so like when you have lace and you like scratch at it, then it does begin to bald. Don't just try and pat it or like oil it and leave it alone. But I be oiling it, patting it, scratching it, and so she got a little bald. So all I did was repart it, so hopefully you can't see it as much or you can't see it at all. But other than that, the lace is bomb. Very. So yeah, other than that, y'all, my camera stopped running because my SD card is full, so I need to make this quick. But other than that, the lace is bomb. Yeah, like, I really love this hair. It's like really high quality, and overall, like, if I had to rate this hair overall, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. 10 stars, because this hair is bomb, okay? And so I am going to link JK's Instagram down below, so if you all are in the DMV area and you want to go get you all a JK Slay and some JK Jasmine Kelly Hair Collection bundles, you know, you all can hit her up. She's very bomb. Her hospitality is A1, customer service A1, and then the hair is amazing and the install is great too. And so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn your post notifications so you don't miss another video. See you in the next one. Bye.